Dr. Adel Kader is among the most widely known and recognized scientists in the field of post-harvest biology and technology. He is the embodiment of a successful scientist, mentor, and citizen of the world. El Hediyaya's words in memory of Dr. Kader resumed what he represented for the whole post-harvest science community. After his premature death, many people spent time to remember him and share their memories with friends and his family. Today, we want to share some of them. Remember him for his tremendous scientific impact on and for his important role in promoting scientific events, including CAMA conferences. But we also want to remember him as the great man that he was, a professor, a father, and a friend for many of us. Dr. Kader's professional conduct, the care he took in mentoring his students, and his humble approach to life enabled him to have a great influence on a large number of individuals around the world. He was a very helpful person in the actions and in the relations with people. Eduardo Kader resumed very well what most of us felt when meeting him the very first time. The minute I met Adel, that smiling, gentle, tender, amazingly knowledgeable man, I knew by heart I had to dedicate myself to post-harvest. The great intelligence, qualification, organization, precision, punctuality were his work tools that led him to reach extraordinary scientific results. Again, Kader, recalling his office, his desk, where everything was in perfect order and color-coded, mentioned the fear to even touch that material. But really, you never left that office without taking with you a bibliographic reference, a photo, a PowerPoint presentation, or a whole memory stick full of any kind of useful file. As Giancarlo Colelli remembered, he was happy to share his knowledge. He had no secrets, and he laughed at colleagues that kept their research and information closed in their pen drives. Antonio Marrero liked to remember when he once asked him how he managed to accomplish so much. He answered that for some reason, good people seemed to be drawn to him. No wonder. Born in El Cairo, Egypt, in 1941, during his more than 35 years at UC Davis, Dr. Kader was extremely active in teaching, research, and extension program in post-harvest biology and technology. His prodigious output includes over 230 articles, many book chapters, and numerous extension publications. His research efforts were initially focused on improving post-harvest quality of fruits and vegetables. Over time, he realized that an improvement in human diets through the consumption of more fruits and vegetables would only occur when the appearance of fruits and vegetables would be matched by an increase in their flavor and nutritive quality. During his tenure at UC Davis, he served as chairman of the Department of Pomology and received numerous awards. He was elected a Fellow of the American Society for Horticultural Sciences in 1986, later serving as President-elect. He received from UC Davis the Outstanding Teaching Award in Extension, the Alumni Citation of Excellence, and the Academic Senate's Distinguished Graduate Mentoring Award. In 2005, he received the Silver Seal of the University of Foggia, Italy, and on 2010 the degree honoris causa at the Polytechnic University of Cartagena, Spain. He co-organized the very popular UC Davis Postharvest Technology Short Course, which, since 1979, has been attended by over 2,500 people from almost every country in the world. He also launched the Postharvest Technology Research and Information Center website in 1998, which has become the premier source of post-harvest information worldwide. With Giancarlo Colelli, he promoted the International Certificate on Post-Harvest Technology, exchanging about 60 students between EU and US. With Colelli, he also co-organized the European Short Course on Quality and Safety of Fresh-Cut Produce, participating in all the 6 editions held so far throughout Europe. During his career, he trained 36 PhD students and over 60 postdoctoral researchers coming from all over the world. He instilled a desire to learn in everyone attending to his speeches. It is undoubtable the important influence he has had on shaping the focus and direction of post-harvest research and extension activities worldwide. When Maria Luisa Amodio shared with him her idea of focusing on non-destructive quality evaluation, this is what he wrote to her. I look forward to seeing your contributions to one or more of the following aspects: degree of freshness, prior exposure to ethylene, prior exposure to chilling temperature, internal flesh color and disorders, taste based on sugars, acids, and phenolics concentrations, and desirable aroma intensity. This list is more than enough to keep you intellectually involved for the rest of your career. This is briefly what Dr. Kader was. So many other comments may be reported today, but we want to conclude with Jin Bei quote: "You enhanced my abilities with your encouragement, kindness, and compassion. You have been a large part of what I am today. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart." Thanks, Dr. Kader, from the bottom of our hearts.